to set up phone link for iPhone on Windows. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is on your PC, go over to your settings. So we're just going to go to settings right now. Go to apps, then installed apps, and search for phone link. Once you go ahead and find it, click the three little dots, and then you want to go ahead and click modify and then repair. If that doesn't work, click reset, and this clears the app's temporary files but doesn't unlink your phone, so don't worry about that. And on your phone, what you got to do is go to your settings, then go to phone link, ensure background app refresh and Bluetooth are toggled on, and ensure battery saver mode is turned off on both your PC and phone as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. And what you can also do if all else fails, you have to clear the ghost pairing from the cloud. So on the phone, open link to Windows, tap your Microsoft account and select sign out and unlink. On PC, open phone link, then go over to settings and then my devices and then click the three dots on your phone and then select remove as well.